Hello children, so here we are basically dealing with coordinate geometry distance formula. As we know that the distance formula is what? Under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we have a question which came in board examination 2014. If the point P coordinates x k minus 1 y2 is equidistant from point A coordinates x3 yk and B k comma 5 they are equidistant. So find the values of k. Values that k given. They are given. That means the k can be having two values. That means it may be possible that points can be this way also. So let us try. So we know that these two distances are equal. So I can write PA is equal to PB. This implies that the square of them will be equal. That means PA square will be equal to PB square. So that means if I am using the distance formula, I can remove the root. So PA first, I take PA. So it will be 3 minus bracket a minus 1 the whole square plus k minus 2 the whole square. Why did I do this? x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 is equal to, now I go this way, PB will be k minus 1 minus k, that is x2 minus x1 plus 2 minus 5 the whole square. Now what does this become? 3 minus k and plus 1. So 4 minus k the whole square plus k minus 2 the whole square is equal to minus k plus k. So minus 1 the whole square is 1 plus minus 3 the whole square is 9. So this is 10. So this will be 16 plus k square minus 8k k square plus 4 minus 4k is equal to 10. So a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now this is k square plus k square is 2k square minus 8k and minus 4k is 12 minus 8 4 8k and 4k is 12k. Now this is 16 plus 4, that is 20 minus 10. So this will be plus 10 is equal to 0. I take k 2 common, so this will be k square minus 6k plus 5 is equal to 0. Now what I do, I change the sign. Now this will be k square minus 6 1 the 6, so 5 1 the 5. So I have to break this up, isn't it? Minus 6k plus 5 is equal to 0. So if I multiply, I should get 5, and if I add, I have to get 6. So minus 5k minus k plus 5 is equal to 0. So this will be k minus 5 minus 1 k minus 5 is equal to 0. So I get k minus 5 or k minus 1 is equal to 0. So I get the possible values of k, that is k is equal to 5 or k is equal to 1. So these are the possible solutions of k. So I go to the next sum now. The next sum is find the relationship between x and y such that the point P x comma y is at equidistant from point A 1 comma 4 and point B 1 minus 1 comma 2. So this is point B. So equidistant means what? PA is equal to PP or PA square is equal to PB square. So I write down, it is given PA is equal to PB. This implies that PA square is equal to PB square. So now what will happen? P at okay, x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. I am taking out PA square, so the root sign will be removed in distance formula. And PB square, x minus minus 1, that means x plus 1 the whole square, y minus 2 plus y minus 2 the whole square. So let us check what will happen. A square plus b square minus 2 will be a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now let us see, x square is cancelled, both the sides y square is cancelled. Now what do we get? Now we have got minus 2x minus 8y, this plus 2x comes this is minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 4x plus 1 5, and this 16 plus 1 17 goes this 6, so this is minus 17. So now what we have, minus 4x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. So I take common 4 minus 4 common, so x plus y is equal to minus 12. So these are cancelled, so x plus y is equal to 2. So thank you. Now we go to the next sum. Find those points on y-axis, each of which is at a distance of 13 units from point A. So now this is y-axis. Now y-axis coordinate are 0, y. Now I have to get a point which is at 13 unit, and at a distance of 13 unit, each of them which is at a distance of 13 unit from point A. So A somewhere, wherever it is, A is minus 5, 7. It may be possible that there is another point on y-axis which will have be at 13 units. So let us see. I have got point M and point A. So the distance given between these 2 points is 13, isn't it? This point can be this side also. A can be at a distance of 13 units from this point, or there can be another point over here that can also be at a distance of 13 units. So let us try to find out if we get two solutions. So we know that distance formula is what? Yeah, MA square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square. Since I am taking square, so the root will be not there. y2 minus y1 the whole square. So MA square is given 13 units. So this is 13. So 13 square is 169 is equal to x2 minus x1. 0 minus minus 5. So 0 plus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So now this is 169 is equal to 25 plus y minus 7 the whole square. So y minus 7 the whole square is equal to 169 minus 25, that is 144. So y minus 7 will be equal to plus minus under root 144. So that is either y minus 7 is equal to 12 or y minus 7 is equal to minus 12. So if y minus 7 is equal to 12, so y will be equal to 19 or y will be equal to minus 12 plus 7 will be minus 5. So the coordinate will be 0, 19 or 0, minus 5. That means this point will be either at on the top above x-axis, or it can be below x-axis at a distance of 30 units. The second one is almost the same. Find the point on the x-axis now. X-axis means what is the coordinate of x-axis? X comma 0. The y value is always 0, which is at equidistance from 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2. Let me take this point as A, this as B, and this as C, or minus 3 comma 2. So that means it's given AB is equal to AC, and I have to get a value of x, isn't it? So it will be easy. AB square, distance are equal, so the square will be equal AC square. So x2 minus x1, that means x minus 5 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus 2, that means 0 plus 2 the whole square, is equal to x2 minus x1, x minus minus 3, so x plus 3 the whole square, plus 0 minus minus 2, so this 0 minus 2 will be 2 the whole square. Now this is x square plus 25 minus 10x, these two are cancelled, so x square plus 9 plus 6x. So now this x square and x square is cancelled. Now 25 minus 10 is how much? 25 minus 10 is 15, minus 9 is equal to 6x. 15 minus 9 is 6, so 6x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 1. So the point on the axis is 1 comma 0. Did you understand? See, find a distance, find a point on x-axis. So a known point on x-axis is always written as x comma 0. So x comma 0, so these two distances are equal. So AB, that means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus 2 is 0 plus 2, is equal to x2 minus x1, x minus minus 3 is x plus 3 whole square, y2 minus y1, and then we solve and we get the value. Now let me show that the points A minus 3 comma 0, so A is minus 3 comma 0, B is 1 comma minus 3, and C is 4 comma 1. They are forming isosceles right angle triangle, isn't it? So let us try to see A, B and C. So we take out the distance, separate distance, and we see what is the relation. So AB will be minus 3 minus 1 the whole square. This is AB, AB square. 0 minus minus is 3 whole square. So this will be how much? Let us see. Minus 3 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16 and 9 is 25. So 25 square. This will be 25. So AB is actually, AB square is 25. So AB is 5 units. 5 units. Now let us see this one. AC square, let us see. Minus 3 and minus 4 the whole square, that is minus 7 the whole square, that is 49. Plus 0 minus 1 square, so that is 1. So this will be how much? 50. AC is 50 units. So AC square is 50 units, so AC will be 5 root 2 units. Obviously, under root 50 is 5 root 2 units. Okay. Now we go to BC square. Now BC square is 1 minus 4, that means minus 3 the whole square. Minus 3 minus 1, so minus 4 the whole square. So this is 9 plus 25, 9 plus 16, that is 25. So this is 25, that means BC will be equal to 5 units. Now I have a look. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC, so that means this is an isosceles triangle that is fixed. Now, what is the relations we are getting? AB square is 25 plus BC square is 25, and that is equal to AC square, that is 50. So now I can redraw this figure only. I can say that this is the figure. Now I've got which one is the right angle. AC obviously is the largest side, so that will be hypotenuse. Now this is A minus 3 comma 0. This is B 1 comma minus 3, and this is C 4 comma 1. So now they are telling also to find the area. So I know this is 5 units and this is 5 units. So area will be equal to how much? Half base into height. So 5 5s are 25. So this is 12.5 square units. So this is how we go with these questions. Thank you.